Ever wondered how to master the art of shielded metal arc welding, popularly known as SMAW? Well, this comprehensive guide is here to shed light on that very subject. Shielded Metal Arc Welding, or SMAW, is a manual arc welding process that uses a consumable electrode covered with a flux to lay the weld. Despite the emergence of new welding techniques, SMAW remains a prevalent method due to its versatility and simplicity. So, how does one master this process? It starts with understanding the basics. The success of SMAW welding hinges on electrode selection, equipment setup, and of course, safety precautions. In SMAW welding, the electrode is pivotal. The electrode chosen determines the mechanical properties, strength, and corrosion resistance of the weld. A common electrode type used is E6010. This electrode is versatile and suitable for all types of positions in welding. Setting up the equipment correctly is another crucial factor. This involves connecting the work clamp to the workpiece, inserting the electrode into the electrode holder, and adjusting the welding machine's current. Remember, the current setting should match the electrode's diameter. Safety should never be compromised. Always wear a welding helmet, gloves, and protective clothing to shield from heat, sparks, and intense light. Ensure the work area is well ventilated to prevent the inhalation of harmful fumes. Now, on to the techniques. SMAW welding involves several techniques, but the most common are the whip and pause and circle techniques. The whip and pause involves moving the electrode forward and then back to pause briefly in the crater. The circle technique, as the name suggests, involves moving the electrode in a circular motion. What about the common mistakes to avoid? One is improper work angle. The work angle should be between 60 and 70 degrees to prevent weak welds. Another mistake is using a wrong electrode for the job. Always match the electrode to the type of material being welded. Lastly, a demonstration of these techniques in action. Using a piece of scrap metal, a weld is made using the whip and pause technique, followed by the circle technique. Pay attention to the work angle and electrode movement. Notice the difference in the weld bead when each technique is used. In summary, mastering SMAW welding involves understanding the basics, learning and applying the right techniques, and avoiding common mistakes. With practice and patience, the art of SMAW welding can be mastered, leading to strong, clean welds every time. And that concludes this comprehensive guide to SMAW welding. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced welder, this tutorial provides valuable insights into the world of SMAW welding. Happy welding!